Hello students, welcome back to your English class. Hope you all are fine and staying at home safely. Today we will start with a new poem from your Marigold book for class 3, and the name of the poem is Sea Song. Now students, before starting with the explanation of the poem, I have a suggestion for you all. First, read the poem 2 or 3 times. You will come across some difficult words. Learn the words and find their meanings. In this way, you will enhance your knowledge and learn some new words. Now, let's read the poem first. Sea Song. I found a shell, a curly one, lying on the sand. I picked it up and took it home, cold inside my hand. Mummy looked at it and then she held it to my ear. And from the shell there came a song, soft and sweet and clear. I was surprised. I listened hard, but it was really true. I wish you'd find a nice big shell and hear it singing too. Now we have read the poem. Now I will explain the poem stanza-wise. Before starting with the explanation of the poem, in the first picture, we can see a boy who is very happy and elated in getting a shell. And in the second picture, we can see how his mother held the shell close to his ear. Now, students, let's read together the first stanza of the poem. I found a shell, a curly one, lying on the sand. I picked it up and took it home, cold inside my hand. Now, in this stanza, we can find a young boy or a young lad who found a seashell on the seashore, which was lying there wrapped in the sand. Now students, can you tell me what is the meaning of a shell? Shell means a hard protective outer case of a mollusk or crustacean. Now what did the boy do? He picked the shell up and took it to his home. Now, while carrying the shell to his home, he felt that it was very cold. And he liked this. Now, let's read the second stanza of this poem, Sea Song. Mummy looked at it and then she held it to my ear. And from the shell there came a song, soft and sweet and clear. Now students, this is the second stanza of the poem. Now here, upon reaching home, the boy's mother looked at the shell and held the shell close to his ear, and gradually the boy could hear a soft and sweet song that was clearly resonating within the cavity of the shell. Now let's read the third stanza of the poem. Before reading the third stanza of the poem, I want to ask you that, is the poem very interesting? It is, right students? Now let's read the third stanza of the poem. I was surprised. I listened hard, but it was really true. I wish you'd find a nice big shell and hear it singing too. Now here in this stanza, at first or initially, the boy was very startled and amazed, but gradually the song captivated and enchanted him, and he enjoyed every bit of the song. In the concluding lines of the poem, he wishes that no one should miss the chance of experiencing such a wonderful thing. He says that everyone should find a nice big shell and listen to it properly to hear the beautiful song coming from it and have a wonderful experience. Now, this is the complete explanation of the poem stanza wise. Now, students, this poem is all about a boy who finds a shell on the sand near the seashore. He takes it to his home, and when his mother looks at it, she takes it near his ear, and then he hears a song coming out of it. He gets shocked or surprised on listening to it. This is the complete explanation of the poem. That's all for today. Goodbye everyone. Stay indoors and be safe.